Guys, I got Blind Date with a Book and I am so excited to open this. I have been patiently waiting till I had time to shoot a video to even look into this, and I did take it out of the packaging just to make sure, because the day that I got it, it was on my porch and it was raining out. So kudos to this company, Hello Books, because the way you packaged it was so nice. It was pouring down raining sitting on my front porch, and the book, everything is fine. So it comes wrapped in a plastic wrap and then a nice packaging. So already 10 out of 10 with the way that they packaged it. But are you ready? I'm so excited. I am so excited. Of course, I have to have my readers, but the genre I got was horror. So I'm a big thriller horror person, and I do like spicy books too. So those are the three that are like always on my TBR. So let's open this up together. The cute thing that I see right on the front is that it has little stickers. So it has a Chucky sticker and it says friends to the end. I'm a big scary movie person. We have Michael Myers. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I work to support my reading addiction. Super cute sticker. Another sticker, bloody hands, love it. I absolutely love this packaging. It's, if you do any junk journaling, this is like kind of how you do it. So I probably will save this because I'm going to get into junk journaling after the holiday. So let's start. Okay. So it comes with a cherry face mask. I love my self-care. Definitely will be doing this. You have an option to do hot chocolate or tea, so I ended up doing tea, so English breakfast tea. Very nice. Comes with a bookmarker with these little tabs. A nice pen. And then a little quote, "We are together, I forget the rest." Oh, yeah, we are together. We are together, I forget the rest. Okay, so the moment of truth. What book did they give me? Hopefully it's one I haven't read yet. But I want to be careful opening this because I love this part of it. Okay, here we go. Okay, I've never read this. So what is this? Oh, okay. Delicate Condition. Have you read this? Let me know. Let me know. Okay, so I've never read any of Danielle Valentine's books. So this is great. I was hoping it was something I have never read before. This twisty thriller will have you guessing until the staggering end. A tense psychological thriller that asks the chilling question, what does it take to be believed? So I will let you guys know what I think of this book, but if you have read this book, let me know. But I think this is 10 out of 10. I will be doing this I'm going to try the different genres after the holidays, just as a little present for myself each month, because it was, I think, $17 plus tax. So, I mean, this is a nice gift for $17. I will link it below if you want to get one for yourself, or maybe a book lover that you have in your family. But absolutely loved it. Have a great day.